Hi, friends. Welcome back to our story time. Today we are going to learn about a comprehension skill called realistic fiction. What is realistic fiction? Realistic fiction is a made-up story that could happen in real life. That means the story is pretend. But it feels real. No talking animals. No magic spells. No flying superheroes. Just regular kids. Regular families. And real-life problems. Setting. Realistic fiction has a setting. A setting is where and when the story happens. It could be a school, a house, a park, places you know. Have you ever been to a school or a park? Yes. That's realistic. Plot. Next, realistic fiction has a plot. That means what happens in the story. The plot is something that could be true. For example, learning to ride a bike, losing a toy, making a new friend. Those things can really happen. Characters. Realistic fiction has characters. The characters might be kids, might be parents, might be teachers. They act like real people you know. Think. Do you know someone who feels happy, sad, or scared sometimes? That's realistic. Beginning, middle, end. Realistic fiction stories also have beginning, middle, the end. At the beginning, the story starts. In the middle, a problem happens. At the end, the problem is solved. Just like most stories we read. Quick review. Let's check. I'll ask, you answer. Is realistic fiction real or pretend? Pretend. Can it happen in real life? Yes. Does it have magic? No. Wow, you're amazing readers. Next time you read a story, ask yourself, could this happen in real life? If the answer is yes, you're reading realistic fiction. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Keep reading.
Bye.
Friends.